Oh, we did it, bro. Yeah. What's good, YouTube? As you guys can see behind me, we have a set of clear taillights for my C63 AMG. So it is the next morning. We made it to Wayne's shop, GR Customs, and I literally could not wait to install these tails, so we are throwing them on right now. Seems like a pretty straightforward install. I'm gonna show you guys right now. But there's these panels that remove on both sides of the trunk. You guys can see right there. And then that should give you access, I hope, enough access to remove the taillights. If not, we're probably gonna have to take this heavy ass sub out. Hopefully not. Or just pull this carpet back and we'll get access to the tails. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll walk you guys through it. Alright, so for those of you guys doing this at home, we were only able to get 2 of the bolts out with the little panel. So this carpet's definitely gonna have to get pulled back. And I think this coat hanger thingy, whatever, is holding it in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out and then yeah, show you guys where the third bolt is. So this little, I don't even know what this does. Maybe it's like a bag holder or something, but it's literally just 2 clips. Kind of annoying to get out, but it's out. And then that'll let you pull out the carpet from the weather stripping. And then the last bolt is like right on the inside there. So now with the 3 bolts removed, should just pop smooth out. Should. I hope. Let's see. You know, Mercedes is probably like 10 clips. There we go. There we go. Just want it to be a little difficult. I really like the way those tails look though. I'm gonna keep
they look good.
Yeah. So this is the difference in the taillights. The top is the LED pre-LCI ones, and these are the LED LCI ones. You see it makes like a little C for the C-Class in the taillights. But yeah, definitely think the clears is an upgrade. We ran into a little issue with the clear. So as you guys can see, that's a 9-pin connector. This is an 8-pin connector, and it has like a little U right there. And if you guys look at this one, there's not a U, it's like a little like line in between them, like you guys can see right there. So we're gonna try to make it work, but yeah, shit like this happens. It is what it is. So we are gonna end up trimming the housing right there. So yeah, angle grinder coming out. So Wayne was thinking that we didn't grind it down enough because we just tested it in the factory one and it goes all the way in, pause. But we're gonna replug it in right now with the connector literally all the way flat. And let's pray it works. Pray for me, you guys. I want clears for ASM. All right, this is the moment of truth, you guys. Let's see. Oh, we did it, bro. Yeah. So we are still good. I mean, I'm not tripping about it. I think it's just like a reflection of the light, like through like the clear. Wait,
hit the brake.
No, I think it's just a reflection of the light. Oh, hit the brake, yeah.
It's on or no?
No, but the car, usually the brake lights don't turn on unless the car's on. Here, here's the key. Oh yeah, it works. It works. We good. Yup. Works. Bro, you're a fucking magician. Good shit. Damn, them shits look crispy, bro. Raps by Wayne.
Let's do it, bro.
When in doubt, bring the angle grinder out. And on the passenger side, it's the same thing. You guys want to angle grind the tab out. Alright, so now we're going to test. After angle grinding both, We are good. Everything works. Turn signals, brake lights, all that. So we are good. Step on the brakes again. Yeah, so one thing that I noticed is it's using the brake lights as a turn signals. I don't really care, but for you guys at home, like if you guys see when he steps on the brakes with the middle light on, the turn signals is the brake light. And the car does have the wiring down here, or the lights down here for the turn signals, but I don't care. I honestly think that looks cleaner because then you don't see the orange. All right, you guys, so this is the final product. I definitely think it looks a lot cleaner, especially with the triple chrome TEs. It like really suits the car. But yeah, just know if you guys want to do this at home, you definitely got to angle grind the connector, unless you get a different connector than mine. I don't know, this is just what I was sent, and I wanted this shit done before ASM. So yeah, I'm super happy with the way it came out. Big shout out to Wayne. If you guys want any custom work, go to GR Customs. I'll leave his IG right here on the screen for you guys right now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.